We got the first bit of rain on Monday. It brought the first bit of these guys. And I'm just noticing, what the heck are those? Little dancing worms. I've got some dancing worms here. Huh. And I got a bunch of tadpoles. What else did I see? Saw tadpoles somewhere else too. I can't remember now. Over here the scuds are eating my guppy grass, I see. I just pulled a big bunch out of here, so there's new growth happening. That's probably what they're eating. And the tadpoles aren't gonna, or they're gonna eat it too. This was covered with this stuff. The tadpoles are eating the heck out of this stuff, which I'm glad to see. At least I got some food for my blue acara and my angels and Honduran cichlids. First tadpoles of the year.